Hey there. See a charge on your Amex statement you don't recognize or didn't authorize? Disputing it is your right, and American Express makes the process clear and customer-friendly. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to start a dispute. Log into your account online or in the app, find the suspicious transaction, and click on it. Look for the option to dispute charge or question a charge. You'll be guided to select a reason, e.g., I didn't make this purchase, I returned the item, the amount is incorrect. Provide any details you have. Amex will typically issue a provisional credit while they investigate, which can take 60 to 90 days. My crucial pro tip? Gather your evidence first. Before you start, have any receipts, emails, or communication with the merchant ready. A clear, documented dispute with evidence is resolved much faster than one without. That's how you confidently challenge errors and protect your money. Have you ever had to dispute a charge? What was the outcome? Share your experience below. For more guides on protecting your finances, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.